Hey guys, welcome to the video. Welcome to my channel. Hey, I've got a little fun project here, and then later on in the video we're going to go driving through the woods. We're doing the Hog Shooter Hot Rods piece of wall art there for my shop. I got a student that's pretty talented. He's like drawn this out freehand, come back in, filled in some stuff with sponges, with aerosol paint, with just all kinds of techniques. And I brought him in an airbrush so that he could expand his horizons and try to do more than just spraying with aerosol cans. Had a super fun time doing this, but like I said at the end of the video, we take a drive down into the woods and show you a redneck's dream home. So enjoy the video, like, subscribe, and comment for me. Hey guys, I just appreciate you all watching the video.
I don't even think you can get it all in.
Enjoyed it. Doing a lot of cool stuff here. Drove off into a place where we go to relax and rest and just get away from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. Got a big pecan grove and an RV that mysteriously ended up on stilts because she's in the floodplain. Hey, if you enjoyed what we're doing, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.